Hello friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Ring.Time. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Axis Bank. Axis Bank is the ticker name and you are watching the monthly technical chart of the stock. And this is the historical price chart of Axis Bank, and this is, each candle here represents 1 month. Okay, these are all the technical indicators and the respective graphs generated for the stock to do the technical analysis. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock, based on the data we are having, since 2009, the stock had started moving in the upward direction continuously, and up to October 2010, it made new highs, and after that it went into a sideways movement. It broke into a sideways movement, and after April 2014, again it started moving in the upward direction, reached its peak price, and it reached its peak price in March 2015, and that time the stock was trading at 659, and after that today the stock is trading at 559. Okay, literally 100 rupees, 663. Okay, 660, yeah, what is the, yeah, 659, and literally 100 rupees less than its peak price today. And what happened after March 2015? The stock went down, and again it made a new high, but this high is lower than its previous high, which is the peak price. And again it went down and made a new high, which is less than this high. So what we are seeing here is the stock consistently making new highs, which are lesser than the previous highs, but at the same time it is not making new lows. Even the lows are also greater than the previous lows. See this? So this is how the stock is trending right now, and looks like actually the lows are also going up, and the highs are also going down. This is how the stock is trending. It's a different kind of trending. So, but overall, if you see, the stock is not in a position to cross its previous peak price. That is there for sure at this moment. So, fortunately, the stock has entered into a positive super trend mode right now, and for the stock to move up and cross its previous peak price, it needs so many critical parameters to support it. So let's see whether the stock has such kind of support or not. So the stock has already crossed its 50 and 20-day moving average, and it is right now on the influence of positive super trend mode, which is good. And relative strength of the stock is average. It is playing above the midpoint and below the top line. And the direction strength has already crashed, though the I think even the the negative direction line is on top of the positive direction line. If you look at the tip, and so the trend is going down. Actually, direction strength is down. And stochastics, okay, we both lines are playing above the midpoint, and we are seeing a positive trend. Stochastics is breaking a positive trend, and the first line is on top of the slow line, and both lines are diverging. That's good, but it is not. If this right now these lines are just above the midpoint, so it's not they're not at the benchmark. The stochastics is not at the benchmark level. So that is the thing. And momentum, okay, momentum is playing on top of the baseline. That's good, but it is at a very minimal level. So it is not again at the benchmark level. So price volume change more or less constant. That's what I'm saying. I am keeping crosses here for your understanding. See, more or less constant price volume change. And balance of power and elder ray both are in sync with each other, and both are telling us that the stock is in bullish phase right now. And Kopeck curve is making a parallel line to the baseline, and right now it is telling us that stock is in the sell zone. Okay, so here not all the guiding points, most of the guiding points have given us negative signals. So whichever has given us positive signals, those those values are not at the benchmark level. Those are all at average and below average level. So maybe that is the reason why this stock is not getting enough support. We are clearly seeing that at this moment the stock is not getting enough support to push itself up and cross its previous peak price. Okay, if the trend is like this, it is not actually the good thing at this moment is the stock is rising in upward direction. That's good, but we are very much concerned from long term perspective. If you think, we are very much concerned about the new highs. Okay, if the stock has to make a new high, then it has to definitely cross its previous peak price. It is just not making a new high which is lesser than its previous previous high. That's what the stock has been doing. We are not concerned about that. We are concerned about crossing this peak price, whether the stock has that sort of strength within it and extend its trend, positive trend in that direction or not. That is the question. So to answer that question, at this moment, the stock is not having that sort of strength, frankly. So though the stock is trending right now, though it has been moving in the upward direction, but looking at all these things, all the guiding points of the indicators, as for me, it is. I mean, I think that I can consider this stock only for short-term trading, not for medium or long-term investment at this moment. Okay, we will come back to the stock later after a few days, and based on the new points, we will redo the analysis. But until then, this stock can be considered only for short-term trading. So that is my conclusion. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.